Hello everyone! In this video we leave our tinny with family and backtrack from Karratha to meet our mates Dan and Rob in Karijini. We camp with dingoes, hike WA's second highest mountain, and explore all the amazing gorges and swimming holes Karijini has with just a few wrong turns and slips in between. Hope you enjoy watching, and thanks again to Rob and Dan for a great few days.
Hi again.
Hi.
We are back in Karratha after 4 nights at Karijini and another night at Millstream.
It's just magic.
Yeah.
So good.
Yeah, definitely a highlight of our 3 weeks. Not hard after getting sandblasted for the first couple anyway. So yeah, we're up the top of Tank Hill, maybe they call it, or something like that, over Karratha. The sun's just gone down or going down. Again, we're not going to be cooking before dark again. It'll never happen. One day. So yeah, anyway, it was a great time. Here it is.
We are day 2 of Karijini at the moment. Met up with our homies Dan and Rob yesterday, which was so nice to see them. Probably had a little bit too much wine last night. Got up early this morning with intentions of hiking Mount Bruce today, and probably mostly my fault leaving a little bit late. It's 10 past 8, but that's alright. Always got a few games of Monopoly dealings, so it's fine. Anyway, we are driving to Mount Bruce now. We only got to camp maybe midday.
Yeah, about lunchtime yesterday, and then we do Fortescue Falls. Was that the last pool?
Yeah, so Dale's, we're at Dale's campground. We went through Dale's Gorge, walked through to Fortescue Falls, had a swim there, walked to Fernpool, and then did the walk sort of back. It's handy because it's literally right by our campground, so that's nice.
Yeah, it's also good that Rob has done it once before, so we haven't really had to think for ourselves too much.
Yeah.
We've been able just to almost tag along tour type thing.
Anyway, it was great. Good to see the homies. Just nice to actually be in Karijini. You always see so much about it and hear so much about it, and it's even better than it looks. So it's been lovely. We'll go do Mount Bruce today, possibly one of the other gorges, and then it's our turn to cook. We're doing meat pasta.
Yeah, we'll go and do this and see how it is.
Okay, bye.
Good morning.
Morning.
This is day 3. We only went to Joffrey Falls yesterday afternoon, not Hancock or the rest that we said we would. We're actually going to go back there and do those today. Yeah, we were all pretty gassed after the Mount Bruce walk, but we've gotten up reasonably early. It's 7:38
Yeah.
to go down to Fern Pool again.
Joffrey yesterday was really pretty. It was pretty cold, but quite a quick one to get to. Just some sort of steep steps down, and then yeah, it was really nice down the bottom. Had a shower.
Yeah, had a little bath. So yeah, the plan was today to get down early and see Fern Pool without as many crowds around, and Fortescue as well. And then we're going to go back and do Hancock and Wino and what was Knox as well.
Yeah.
So we'll meet the guys, Robert Dan that is, there somewhere. But
Would have loved a bit of sun again today, but no deal.
yeah, but this is the lookout from, I guess, the top of Fortescue Falls. We've gone to the car park there and walked down. So hopefully the clouds disappear.
It'd be nice.
So we're just in between Fortescue Falls and Fern Pool. And I guess a colony, I don't know what you call it, a flock,
To Google that.
pack, flying foxes that have taken over. They've taken over that here first, don't they? Anyway, flying foxes. Much to Shay's credit so far. No slips.
Hey,
Day 3 and she hasn't fallen over.
touch wood or something.
Where are we at?
Knox Gorge.
Yeah, so we finished Fern Pool. We got that to ourselves.
That was nice.
Now we're waiting for Rob and Dan to rock up.
First time we're here first.
Yeah, anywhere first. There she is.
Got me.
Good track?
Right.
The animals in the wild.
Still got hooked up.
Yeah, we f***ed it. Well, that.
Hancock Gorge on our way to get some Gorges for dinner. It was really cool. It had the spider walk into Kermit's pool. I sort of thought it was going to go longer than what it did, but it was really nice. Pool at the end was really cool, but we were just saying you either have the option of scaling the rocks or sort of wading through the water, and it's pretty deep. Like, I mean, all of these boys are 6 foot, and there was a few sections even where Rob was almost up to his chin / higher, but he was a champion and held my bag for me by his head. I tried and slipped too many times with going in the water.
Before that was Knox's Gorge, which I don't know what
I really liked it. I thought Knox Gorge was great, like definitely worth doing. We actually didn't know if there was any swimming, but there was a few options to swim. But initially we were sort of like, we'll just do it, and then it sort of ended up being probably one of my favourites so far. So just really good views, and I reckon you could explore there for a few hours in some good swims. Boys spent plenty of time doing bombies and backflips and whatever else. So yeah, would recommend Knox Gorge if you're coming to Karijini. There's honestly not really anything so far that I wouldn't recommend doing. I think the only things that we haven't done, we were going to do handrail pool today but didn't get time. Just left us a little bit more time to enjoy Hancock Gorge, but it's probably sounds like the sketchiest one, and feeling a little bit nervy, so I'm not that mad. But I think if we come back next year, we'll just try and do it all. And then we didn't do the walk portion of Wino Gorge, but what was the first bit that we did? Knox Gorge, was that part of Wino?
Yeah, I've lost track.
I don't know. There's a lot. But 3 nights is what we'll be here for in the end, and I reckon that's enough. This is 100% been highlight so far for me. Just like really good to be with friends as well, but just, I don't know, this is just stuff that I guess we really enjoy doing. And honestly, I swear, like every corner you turn, it's just like, damn, that's so nice. So it's would highly recommend Karijini. We're gonna go get some burgers.
And then we'll finish tomorrow with Hammersley Gorge.
But anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Hello.
We had a change of plans. We're both going to be working back on site where we were last year, which is really good for us right now for money. We got that sorted. It meant that we left late, but we've just come to Hammersley Gorge anyway.
Gonna probably come back first thing tomorrow morning. It looks like it'd be amazing though. Bring Bushmans.
Yeah, but we'll see what this is like in the morning.
All done. Honestly, probably one of my most favourite places I've ever been. That was so good.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it as well. We stayed at Buddha's something last night.
Buddha's overnighter.
Just next to Hammersley Gorge here. And even that was great as well.
Really pretty view. It was free. There was actually a reception at Buddha's as well. It's just out of the national park, but it's literally like a few minutes off the phone. So it was perfect. Yeah, we were the first ones here this morning and had a little spa pool to ourselves for like a couple of hours. If you are thinking about going to Karijini, do it. Hands down, do it.
Sorry about the very quick ending there, but our GoPro died, of course. Anyway, in our next video, we explore the Dampier Peninsula north of Broome, where we camp at Cygnet Bay and Gumbernon. We also spend 3 nights camping on the beach and fishing at Smithy's, which was great, before a late night at the Broome Hospital. If you have any questions though, then reach out in the comments. Otherwise, cheers for watching.